Hello friends, I am Professor Poonam Thete. Today we are discuss about the sounds of English and introduction of the English phonetics. The sounds of English there are vowel sounds and diphthongs. Vowels are 12 and 8 are diphthongs. There are short vowels and long vowels. Vowels, it means vowels are voice sound during the production of which air escape through the mouth freely and continuously the any audible and frictional noise. Vowels are produced when the active articulation tongue is raised towards the passive articulated roof of the mouth in such a way that there is sufficient space between the tongue and the roof of the mouth so that air can escape through freely and continuously. So vowels produce open approximation. There are 12 vowel sound in English, 12 are pure vowels and 8 are diphthong. There are short vowels and long vowels. First of all, first vowel sound is the a. A is the vowel sound. There are some examples. A, mad. Mad is the vowel. Mad is the example of this vowel sound. At, apple, and fan. These are also the examples. There are next vowel sound is a. A is the, for example, cut, bun, blood. These are the examples. Next is the a. E is the vowel sound. Set, a, set. Next is the bed, bread. Next vowel e. Beat, beat, sit, lip. Next is the soak, soak. Soak is the vowel sound. There are also other examples in this in this exam. There are some other examples also. There is next vowel sound is the oo. Oo is the next vowel sound. Foot, foot is the example of book, cook, and took. Next vowel sound is the a. A is the above. Above is the example of this vowel sound. Above. Then again, away, cooker. Then long vowel sounds. Long vowel sounds, it means there is the passage or air between the long. For example, a. A is the vowel sound. Bark, card, car. Next is the e. Be, keep, sleep. Next is the more, or, more, a, and oo. Okay. Next is the o. Girl is the bird. These are the examples. Next is the oo. Oo is the vowel sound. In this, there are example of this sound is the room, blue, tube. Next, there are 8 diphthongs in English language. First diphthong is the a, I. I is the diphthong. And then next examples of the these diphthongs is 5, fine, sign. Next diphthong is the ow. Mouth. Mouth is the example of this diphthong. Down, out, down. These are some more examples. Next is the ear, tear, here, ear, here. These are the more examples. Next diphthong is the air, air, ear, day. Day is the next is the fear, fear. Ear is the diphthong. Ear, here, ear, and here. Next is the boy. O is the diphthong of oil, coin, bay, boil, noise. These are the more examples. Then close, close. Close is the or there are some more examples. O, go, home, boat, and bone. Next is the lure. Lure is the next example. This diphthong is the poor, sure, lure, cruel, tour. Next is these are the 8 diphthongs in English language. Thank you so much. Please must watch to our YouTube channel. Thank you.